Hey there, this is Leslie Stokes, writer and geologist with the Northern Miner, and I'm here with Mining Clips today in downtown Vancouver at the Metal Writers Conference. And I'm joined by
Paul Huet.
Paul Huet with Klondex Mines. He's president and CEO.
That's correct.
And Paul came over to have a little bit of a chat about Klondex and some of the things that the company has been doing lately. And you told me that you happen to be the largest gold producer attending the conference today.
It sounds like it. Actually, what we've been told is that Klondex is in fact the largest gold producer here today. I did not make that up. I was told that. So if it's not factual, that's someone else. But yeah, it appears as though our production profile of 225,000 ounces a year could be the largest one here today. Yeah.
Right. And so also, like Klondex Mines, their share price have seen a little bit of volatility lately. And I wanted to ask you, what's kind of the main drivers behind that?
Thanks for asking that. So that's a very good question. We've encountered some recent headwind in the share price, predominantly as a realignment or rebalancing of one of the indexes, the GDXJ. We're part of this GDXJ index, and as it gets rebalanced, some of the larger companies are joining in. Some of the smaller companies actually are getting sold. Their shares are being sold within the fund because there's so much money coming into the fund. Our stock at the 52-week high was about 780 Canadian. We're trading at about 420 Canadian right now. It's a huge, huge buying opportunity because fundamentally, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the company. In fact, our company is better positioned today and less risk than where we were when we were trading at 780 actually. Right. We're in the process of building two mines, ramping them up in 2017, so a pivotal year for us as we push through that 200,000 ounces a year. So we're adding Hollister in Nevada, and we're adding True North up in Canada. Both of them are about 40,000 ounces a year, so adding about another 80,000 ounces over what we were producing last year, so totaling about 225. So I've never seen this type of opportunity in Klondex since I've joined. When we began this company in 2012 and we started off with one single asset, we continued to add assets, we continued to execute, deliver, and the share price performed, and it outperformed the GDXJ. It did very well over the last 5 years rather than a difficult market, I'd say. The market was more difficult and a lot of people suffered. Our shareholders have done extremely well over the last 5 years. That's why this recent buying opportunity, it is going to be a flash in the pan. It will get corrected and readjusted as we continue to add cash to our balance sheet, as we continue to deliver and produce gold safely.
That's excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Paul. And
pleasure.
I guess look forward to seeing you around and seeing some of the news out in the wire when it comes out.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks.